Hello friends, I'm your teacher, Teacher Noku. Friends, are you happy to see me? I'm very happy to see you as well, friends. So friends, today do you know what we're going to do? Today we're going to learn about the months of the year. Then let's begin. The first word is January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Now let's repeat the words. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Okay, friends, those are the 12 months of the year. And in every month, there's something special that happens. I'm going to tell you what happens in them. Firstly, in the 1st of January, everybody celebrates New Year's Day. Then, on 14th February, people celebrate Valentine's Day. Then, 15th April, people celebrate Good Friday. Then, on the 18th of April, people celebrate Easter Monday. Then we have on the 1st of May, which everybody knows is Labor Day. Then, on the 1st of June is Madaraka Day. On the 25th of December, we have Christmas. Now, friends, I'm going to tell you what happens in all of them. So, on the 1st of January is New Year's Day. Everybody attends parties, celebrates with friends and family, and then you make New Year's resolutions for the year. Secondly is Good Friday. On Good Friday, it's when everybody celebrates the day that Jesus Christ gave his offering. Then Easter Monday is the day after Easter Sunday, and in most of the countries, they celebrate a public day where nobody does anything. Then the most special day of them all is Christmas. Christmas is a festival celebrated by Christians, and Christians celebrate this as the birth of Jesus. The last of them all, and which I know everybody will love, is Boxing Day. Boxing Day is celebrated in America and Britain, where people give gifts to their household. Everybody, which is your favorite holiday? For me, my favorite holiday is Christmas, because I celebrate with my family and my friends. Everybody, if you enjoyed this class, if you want to see more and learn more English class, you could also come again and we learn together. Oh, it's already time to end the class. But don't worry, friends, we can have another class next time. You can call us or SMS us through the number on the screen. And we also have a YouTube channel and a Facebook page by the name GBS TV Africa. So friends, see you next time. Bye!